garbage. Oh yeah. Got the door all back together, except for the piece that goes here I need. But look, objects in mirror are closer than they appear. So I'm gonna show you something real quick. Here's the old door glass. See how it has two things that stick out in like a squishy spot? Well, in the squishy spot, there's actually a third bolt on this glass. However, check this out. Here's a window out of an 84, but 83 and up are the same. Notice how the bolts are for the window. So the window glass for that K car is unique to 81 and 82 only. How about that shit? It's got the HEMI.